On this video, we're going to talk about the RV 50 amp electrical system, and we're going to talk about what can happen when things go wrong. So in particular, this time we want to talk about the fact that the neutral wire connection that comes all the way from the campground power post comes through your connection at the campground, through your power cord, through your shore inlet on the side of the trailer. If you've got a trailer with a 50 or with a generator on it, you've got a transfer switch, and then you're going to go into a 50 amp load center. Now in this 50 amp load center, you've got line 1, which comes in here and goes to a 50 amp circuit breaker, and then goes to some downside circuit breakers, some smaller circuit breakers to your appliances, and you've got the same thing that occurs here with your line 2. You're coming all the way through your shore power cord and through the transfer switch into your load center, and again another 50 amp breaker and some down size circuit breakers to your appliances. So in a normal system here, when the neutral wire is functioning correctly, you'll have 120 volts between line 1 and neutral, and you'll also have 120 volts between line 2 and neutral. But if you notice here on this diagram, we show a bad connection. So we've interrupted the neutral circuit on this electrical system, and what happens is you can create up to 240 volts of power flowing down your wires to your appliances that are these appliances are only rated for 120 volts, and you'll damage them. So if you look at what happens when we interrupt the neutral, we no longer can go from neutral to line because there is no neutral, and we can no longer go from, so this would be neutral to line 2 or neutral to line 1 because there's no connection here anymore. So what happens is we're going through the appliance, going back into the neutral bus bar, and we're creating up to 240 volts. It depends on the voltage that'll be created, depends on what two appliances or what a total number of appliances are on each of those circuits. But you'll notice again, up to 240 volts, and guess what? Your appliances in your RV are not rated for 240 volts, so you've just damaged those appliances. Some of those appliances can handle for a short period of time 240 volts. Other ones will be damaged immediately. So other ones will be damaged to the point that down the road, a few weeks or months, they will quit functioning. But it all comes back to the fact that you've got this neutral connection that went bad.